Hello everybody, Miss Chalice here. Today I've brought my daughter with me to give us a hand.
Hello, my name is Thea.
So, today we'll be looking at adjectives. I know the word adjectives might seem like a very big word right now, but don't worry, once you know what one is, you've probably been using them without even realising. Now, let's head over to the PowerPoint to learn a bit more about adjectives. Hello and welcome to my short PowerPoint on adjectives. So, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that is used to describe something. Some people like to call these describing words. For example, here we have an apple. Some of the words we could use to describe this apple, these are adjectives. They could be red, shiny, delicious, round, and crunchy. All of these adjectives can be used to describe this apple. Adjectives tell us more about something. So here is an image of a dog. The dog is sitting down. That sentence is true. The dog is sitting down. But it doesn't really tell us much about that picture. So let's add some adjectives. The cute spotty dog with floppy ears is sitting down nicely. That tells us so much more about that picture of the dog. Now, can you find the adjectives? Here's the picture of our dog again. And here's a hint. There are 4 adjectives to find. Here's our sentence again. The cute spotty dog with floppy ears is sitting down nicely. So have a look and have a think. Can you find 4 adjectives in that sentence? Now, let's go through them. The cute is an adjective. Spotty is our second adjective. Dog with floppy ears. So floppy is describing its ears. That's our adjective. Is sitting down nicely. So nicely is describing how it's sitting down. So that is our 4th adjective. The cute spotty dog with floppy ears is sitting down nicely. And we have all 4 adjectives. Well done! Now, let's see what other adjectives we can find around our homes. Here's some clues. We have some cereal packets, games boxes. Of course, we have books. Lots of adjectives can be found in books. And music. If you listen carefully or read through the lyrics of music, you'll find lots and lots of adjectives. Now I'll see you back in my classroom with Thea for some games. So, now we know what an adjective is. And that last slide on the PowerPoint gave you some clues as to where you might be able to find some adjectives written on items in your house. That way, you can play the same game as me and Thea. Before this recording, I challenged myself and Thea to find 5 items around the house with adjectives written on them. We gave ourselves 3 rules. Rule number 1.
I couldn't go in Mummy's bedroom.
Rule number 2.
Mummy couldn't go in my bedroom.
And rule number 3.
We both had to keep our items in our bag a secret.
So, I couldn't go in Thea's bedroom, Thea couldn't go in my bedroom, and we had to keep our items a secret. So let's find out what each other found. Thea, what's your first item?
My first item is some sweetened almond milk. The adjective in that is sweetened.
Well done. So we have sweetened almond milk. The adjective is sweetened. Now for my first item. My first item is some pancake mix. Now this item actually has 2 adjectives on. It says classic and simple pancake mix. The adjectives are classic and simple. Let's add our adjectives here. Classic and simple.
My next one is our lunchbox game out of my game shelf out of my room. So Mummy can't pick this one. It's in my room. So this is the adjective. I marked it with a sticker. Be the first to collect all the healthy, that's an adjective, items in your lunchbox in this one, that's an adjective. Memory game.
Well done. So we have the adjectives healthy and fun. So we have healthy
And fun.
Now for my next item. My next item is a smoothie. Here it says smoothie with tasty veg. Our adjective here is
Tasty.
well done. Our adjective is tasty. Let's write that up here. You have your next item, Thea?
My next item is some salsa. The adjective on this, there's 3 adjectives. 3 adjectives. So, Tesco, that's a shop. Mild, salsa, sweet and chunky. So the adjectives in that are mild, sweet and chunky.
Wow, well done. So we have 3 adjectives. Mild, sweet and chunky. Let's add them to our board. Mild,
Sweet and chunky.
and chunky. Right, now my next item. My next item is a heavy tins of spaghetti hoops. And on here it says shaped pasta in a juicy tomato sauce. So the adjective there is juicy.
Juicy.
Let's write it down. Juicy. Have you got your next item?
Yes, of course. My next item is some silver duct tape. The adjective in that is silver.
Well done. So we have silver duct tape. The adjective is silver. Let's add that to our board. Now I have my next item. It is our family mousetrap game. And right here at the bottom it says the crazy game with 3 all-action contraptions. The adjective there is
Crazy.
crazy. It is. So let's write the adjective crazy. Now, Thea, it's time for your last one.
My last one is some orange juice. The thing that's crazy about this, I thought the adjective was the orange, but then my nan told me that it's the fruit orange. So the actual adjective on this one is juicy at the top.
Well done. So we have the adjective juicy. And you're right. Orange, it isn't orange as in a colour, that would be an adjective, wouldn't it? But it's orange as in a fruit, so it's not an adjective. Our adjective is juicy. And we already have that here, but we'll write it again. Juicy.
Yes.
Right, now for my final item. This is not found in Thea's room because Thea likes to leave everything around the house. So I have Thea's joke book. And here it says over 500 hilarious gags.
Hilarious is the adjective.
It
But
is.
does that still count as my room? Because it's
No.
something from my room.
That counts as my one. So our adjective is hilarious. So let's go through some of the adjectives that we've found. We have crazy, hilarious, chunky, fun, juicy, healthy, mild, sweetened, juicy, again,
tasty.
Sorry everybody, our video stopped recording and we didn't realise, but the only thing that was missing was us going through the last 3 adjectives on the board, which were sweet, simple and silver, and us saying goodbye. So thank you for joining us to learn about adjectives, and goodbye for now.
Bye.